Hey everyone, if Power BI has ever told you that you need a work email, this script is for you. We'll show you how to bypass the work account requirement by signing up for a free Microsoft product trial. This process generates a free Microsoft domain that Power BI accepts as a work account. 1. Start a free Microsoft product trial. You will use a free trial from a Microsoft product like Dynamics 365 or Office 365 to begin creating your work account. 1. Navigate to Trial Page. Go to the free trial page of a Microsoft product like Dynamics 365. 2. Select Trial. Click Free Trial and choose a product. 3. Enter personal email address. Enter your personal email address, Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. 4. Create new account. When prompted with a warning, click Set up a new account at the bottom. Next, complete account setup and domain creation. You'll create a unique Microsoft domain that fulfills Power BI's requirements. 1. Enter details. Complete the onboarding wizard, providing a business phone number and selecting No when asked for a company website to enable the creation of a free domain. 2. Verify and create domain. Verify your phone number, then choose a username and domain like mydomain.onmicrosoft.com and set a strong password. 3. Skip payment. When prompted for a payment method, do not add one. The trial is free. 4. Sign in and finalize Power BI access. Use your new work account credentials to sign in to Power BI. 1. Sign in to Power BI, use the newly created username like username@mydomain.onmicrosoft.com and the password you set in the previous step. 2. Confirm desktop login. Close and reopen Power BI desktop if needed, then sign in with the new account. 3. Publish reports. You can now use the Publish button to upload local reports to the Power BI service under your new domain. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.